I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, and I ride away, dead and buried till I'm in the casket. You care.